So, you're looking at Coimbatore Institute of Technology? The first thing you need for your TNEA counseling is the code 2007. Now, let's dive into what makes this college a really strong contender for your choice list.
So what's the big deal about CIT? Well, how about this for a start? The chairman of Tata Sons, he's an alumnus. The CEO and MD of Tata Consultancy Services? Yep, from here too. We're talking about two of the most powerful jobs in Indian business, both held by people from this one college. Now that is the kind of legacy we're talking about. And here's the second thing you should know right away. A++. This isn't just a good grade. It's the highest possible grade from NAAC, the National Assessment and Accreditation Council. It's a clear stamp of top-tier quality, putting CIT in a very exclusive group.
So, let's break it all down. What are the key facts you and your parents really need for your 2026 TNEA decision? First up, let's get to the core of what this college is all about.
Okay, you see these two words here? Government-aided and autonomous? They're super important. Government-aided means it's a well-established institution, and it generally means more affordable fees for government quota seats. And autonomous? That's a huge advantage. It means the college designs its own curriculum and conducts its own exams, so they can keep things modern and in sync with what the industry actually wants.
Right. Here are the essentials for your application. The TNEA Code, once again, is 2107. The college has been around since 1956, so it has a long, stable history. Admission is through TNEA, with a 65-35 split between government and management quota seats. It's affiliated with Anna University, and it's a co-ed campus.
Now let's dig a little deeper. A college's reputation is built on its history and its official approvals. This is the stuff that builds trust, and CIT's story goes all the way back to 1956. Let's look at the proof behind the reputation. It all started in 1956, founded by the V. Rangaswamy Naidu Educational Trust. A really big moment came in 1987 when CIT was granted autonomous status. Think about it, that made them one of the earliest colleges in Tamil Nadu to get that academic freedom. And since 2001, they've been affiliated with Anna University.
For your 2026 admission, these 2 points are absolutely critical. First, they've got the necessary AICTE approval for the upcoming academic year. That's a must-have. And second, like we said, is that top-tier A++ grade from NAAC. It was just assessed in 2023, so it's very current and confirms their high academic standards.
Okay, so what can you actually study here? Let's take a look at the engineering programs on offer and the kind of innovative culture that you'll be a part of. You've got a strong lineup of core engineering branches here: mechanical, ECE, computer science, and so on. What's also really promising is that they're moving with the times, offering new age branches like artificial intelligence and data science. Across all these programs, the total intake is 720 seats.
And this quote from their mission really tells you their philosophy. It's not just about getting a degree. The goal is to create world-class engineers. This focus on quality and creating problem solvers is something you'll see in their entire approach.
And that commitment isn't just talk. It goes way beyond the classroom. CIT is a serious research hub. I mean, just look at who funds their projects. You've got almost every major national body you can think of: DST, DRDO, MHRD, you name it. They even get funding from international bodies like Norway's Research Council. That speaks volumes about the quality of their faculty and their research.
All right, academics are one thing, but what's life actually like at CIT? For students and parents, especially if you're coming from out of town, the campus environment and support systems are a huge deal. So, what's the deal with facilities? Well, they're well equipped. There are separate hostels for boys and girls on a pretty spacious 69-acre campus. The mess serves both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food, and yes, there's a college transport facility. Plus, being just about 8 kilometers from Coimbatore Junction is a big advantage for travel.
Now let's talk about financial support, because for many families this is a deciding factor. The good news is there's an extensive range of scholarships available. You have the government schemes for SC/ST and BC/MBC students, awards for bright students, and even scholarships funded directly by the CIT Alumni Association. It's great to see specific support for children of farmers, teachers, and ex-servicemen too.
All right, this is the bottom line for many of you. What are the outcomes? What happens after 4 years of engineering? Let's look at the real-world success of CIT graduates through their placements, alumni stories, and awards.
Let's just start with this number.
52 lakhs per annum. This was the highest salary package offered to a student in a recent batch. It's a huge number that really shows you the kind of exceptional career launch that is possible from here.
But a great college isn't just about one huge salary package. What about the opportunities for everyone? Well, here's another number for you. 792. That's how many companies visited for placements. That indicates really deep and wide industry connections, which means more opportunities for more students. And these aren't just any companies. They are top-tier names. We're talking global finance firms like D. Shaw, consulting giants like Deloitte and PwC, tech leaders like Amazon and Oracle, and of course the big names in IT services like TCS and Infosys. And this slide really shows you where a CIT degree can take you. We started with the leaders of Tata, but the list just goes on. From the project director of India's Mars mission at ISRO to the founding director of IIM Ranchi, CIT alumni are out there shaping technology, policy, and business all over the world.
It's not just the alumni who are getting recognized. The institution itself has a cabinet full of awards. It's been ranked in the Excellent Band for Innovation by the Government of India and has even received European awards for best practices. These accolades just reinforce CIT's standing as a high-quality institution.
Now, just a quick note, all the information we've presented here is based on data collected from the college's official website and trusted government portals, as of our research in March 2026.
So is a government-aided autonomous institution with a 70-year legacy of producing industry leaders the right choice for you? Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.